Hello game players. Today in this video I will talk about which Android emulator is better for Android game. I think you must be helpful this video for your games. After watching this video you can select a better emulator for your system and you can run games like Free Fire and PUBG. Okay, let's get inside. In the intro, I was talked about emulators. So let's we go inside of 5 Android emulators. Okay, first emulator is Mumu Player. The Mumu Player is ideal for high performance gaming and mid to high end PCs. So you have a low end PC, the Mumu Player is better player for you. Highlights in Mumu Player, this emulator can up to 240 FPS and multi-instance and low CPU usage and custom controls. Okay, let's we look at low CPU usage. So you have i3 second gen or Core2 PC. In that time you can use Mumu Player because Mumu Player is use low performance CPU. Second one is LD Player. LD Player is a viral gaming Android emulator, ideal to smooth gameplay on mid-range PCs. If you have a mid-range PC, so this time you can use LD Player. LD Player highlights optimized for games like PUBG, Free Fire, etc. and support 120 FPS and customizable settings. So you like play PUBG or Free Fire, you can select this one. Okay, next, third one is BlueStack 5. The BlueStack 5 is another Android emulator to can install in low-end PCs like i3 second gen or Core2 etc. This is beginner friendly, so everybody can learn it by self, and this emulator have cloud gaming system and key mapping and using low CPU usage. Okay, next one, fourth one is Nox Player. Nox Player is ideal for casual gamers and multitaskers, and this have a clean UI and multi-instance. Okay, fifth one is Memu 9. This is lightweight option for older PCs like Core2. So Memu highlights. First one, fast boot. Second, APK drag and drop. So we can drag and drop APKs and install it automatically, and customizable controls. Okay, those are today emulators. I will see you in next video. Goodbye.